Yeah, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at an amazing design. Without so much ado, just let's dive into it. Just according to our norms, always make your slide blank. The layout, let it be blank. Then come in with this shape and make the yellow, make it 100% round, and position it very well and format it to your desired shape. For me, I decided to use color yellow. I decided to use color yellow, and I added an in shadow into it from all angle. As you can see, I picked my shadow and I picked the in shadow for all angle. Then you might want to duplicate it and arrange it in your own way, but I choose to arrange it this way. And each of the shapes, I decided to change the color of each of the shapes, after which I inserted icon. I inserted icon. Here we are looking at dining properties, which are the spoon, the plate, and the just like that, with all those things you can find in dining. And this is educative enough. It's good for any teacher that wants to teach any student about some things, especially this age that we are now, that most studies are being done online. So this slide or this presentation is good for any aspiring teacher to make use of. Edit it. The template is good, just edit it. Then after which you duplicate the slide. Then the first slide, take all the shapes out one after the other. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. If you have not done that, we are begging you. So in the first slide, just come in with your introductory message. This I call it dining properties. I call it dining properties. Then I go into the second slide. I inserted the same thing and I formatted it to look smaller in between the shapes. And I selected the two and I insert a transition, magic transition, morph transition. Then I select all the shapes one after the other. Remember, you need to group your shape and the icon and the letter together so that you'll be able to move them at a go. So I selected all the shapes and my I went in with um rotation, which is to flip horizontal. I need to flip horizontal, and after which I preview it by pressing the arrow key at the top corner, and this is the result. Isn't this nice? This is enough to be presented to students in class for them to see how beautiful the word of PowerPoint can be. Thank you for staying tuned, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Catch you next time.